everyone, Namaste. We, the students of grade 7, feel privileged to extend a warm welcome to all the respected dignitaries present here. We would also like to welcome our dear teachers, our parents and my dear friends with great joy and immense exultation. So welcome to the virtual galaxy presented by 7C and 7D. Passion fuels success. Now, we would request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Kudwa, educationist, motivational speaker, a storyteller and the author of the book From Chalk to Talk. That's not all. She also enlightens us with weekly podcasts and is a winner of plentiful awards. Ma'am, now we request you to share your knowledge with us.
A warm namaste to all of you. You must be wondering why it is a namaste today. The reason is very, very simple. This talk of mine is recorded and it's going to be played once in the morning, once in the evening. In English, there is no equivalent to namaste. So namaste it is from me to all of you once again. The 7th standard children are going to be talking about success and what fuels it. So I have a few anecdotes to share with you. Let me start with Hirkani. Have you heard the name Hirkani? Hirachikani? Now Hirkani was staying in the village outside the Raigad fort. Chhatrapati Maharaj had erected huge walls on the Raigad fort on 3 sides. On the 4th side, it was a precipitous drop and Chhatrapati Shivaji thought that nobody could scale that and come to the fort. So that part was not covered with any walls. Now, Hirkani used to supply milk to the fort every morning. By evening, by dusk, the gates of the fort would be closed and the guard at the gate was under instruction not to permit anybody outside or permit anybody to come inside. One day it so happened that Hirkani got a little delayed. The gates closed and Hirkani was not permitted to go back home. It so happened that Hirkani had left her little baby at home. She begged, she pleaded with the guard to permit her and guard was adamant. He was a loyalist who said no because Chhatrapati had given his orders not to permit anybody. Now the mother's heart would not give up. She looked here, she looked there and she went to that area where there was no wall. And you won't believe it. Hirkani scaled down that precipitous climb which Shivaji Maharaj had thought was not accessible for any human being, and she managed to reach her home, to her baby who was crying for the mother. The next morning, Hirkani was back at the gate to supply milk. The guard recognized her and took her to the Chhatrapati, who questioned her. And he realized that she was speaking the truth. There were scratches all over her face, on her body, and he erected a burj which is called Hirkani. The burj exists and it is a memento which Shivaji erected to pay tribute to the mother who did not give up against odds. Now why am I telling you this story? The reason is very simple. If you have to be successful, you need to persevere. You cannot give up. Perseverance leads to success. Success always does not have to depend on perseverance. But if you are perseverant, then you will definitely be successful. And this talk of mine is not going to end without a mention of the master blaster, Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin was at the crease, he was playing, and when he played, he did not get out, and the others were not very happy with this because they had to wait for a long time before their chance came in. So they complained to his coach. His coach didn't have the heart to tell Sachin to stop. So he thought of a plan. Sachin's shirt was not very clean. So he called Sachin aside and he said, "Beta, just go home, wash this, and then you can come to class for your practice." So what Achrekar did not expect, what the others did not expect, was the action that Sachin undertook. He went home, washed the t-shirt, and wore the t-shirt which was wet and came back to the crease because he had only one shirt and he didn't want to miss the class. That, my dear students, is what perseverance is all about. Don't give up. Have that grit and the determination to pursue your goal, and then success will be yours. Finally, I want to talk about what happens when you miss the opportunity which comes your way. Have you all heard of Kodak? Kodak was a company which was started in the 19th century, 1888, if I'm not mistaken. And this company was so popular that everybody used to talk about the Kodak moments. A photograph was taken and you would say, "Wow, it's a Kodak moment." Now, do you hear about that company anymore? So what happened? It so happened that in 1975, one of their engineers came up with a digital camera. Now, this digital one, they didn't want to process because it was not in their line of profit. They set it aside. And the other companies like Sony and the others, they picked it up. Consequently, what happened was the other names you hear now and Kodak is wiped out. And in the 1970s, they had 70% shares of the film market. And today they are nowhere. The moral here is, when an opportunity comes your way, cash it, encash it, work on it, and don't give up. So as students, your duty is to persevere, look for opportunities which are fair and just, and cash in on it. God bless and all the best for your program for today.
Thank you, ma'am, for your motivational words. We now have enough fuel to move towards our success.
Greetings to one and all. Each year is a time frame divided into months and weeks for each one of us to plan, to execute and to replan for spinning new yarns of life. How we weave each thread of experience and learning helps fulfill and enhance our life and affects others in some way or the other.
Life is a sweet-smelling floral bouquet of different delights. Some enchant, some mesmerize us, some make oneself concise, some force you to be wordy, some poetic in nature, and still others mundane in intent as the procession of thoughts moves on.
These thoughts and wondrous delights make a person who he or she is. And a child is one who is like that clay which is molded through such experiences. Then we come to know that each child is possessed with innate talents in different streams of science, in history and geography, and in sports, singing, acting, dancing and cooking. By presenting these talents on the stage, credentials are created to win confidence, courage and triumph.
Today's gathering is one such gathering to share the triumphs of different personalities and to learn from each other how to kindle that passion in each one of us towards our path of success.
So without further ado, let me welcome our Principal Ma'am, Dr. Mrs. Pramila Kurwa, Mr. C.B. Hegde, CAO of Pabha Public Schools, Mrs. Bhagyashree Bhagwat, Ma'am, and Sir Ram Prasad, Administrative Officer, and Vice Principal, Ms. Revati Ma'am.
The Secondary Headmistress, Mrs. Chitra Ma'am, the Primary Headmistress, Mrs. Cecilia Ma'am, Pre-Primary Headmistress, Mrs. Uttara Ma'am, teachers, parents and all the students to the virtual galaxy, the annual day celebration for the year 2021 to 2022.
At my lowest, God is my hope. At my darkest, God is my light. At my weakest, God is my strength. At my saddest, God is my comfort. Let us begin this auspicious event with the praise of the most merciful and benevolent.
Light is a universal symbol of truth, knowledge and understanding. It acts as a guide, keeping us from stumbling in the dark. With this lamp lighting, we would like to thank the Goddess of Knowledge for blessing us.
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे। हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, जितनी भी दे भली जिंदगी दे। बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में बदले की होना। हम चले एक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। भं पुरुत्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते त्वं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते त्वं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्
Thank you everyone. Please take your seats. Let's get started, audience. Today we have some very famous TV personalities with us, and I am sure you would enjoy as much as they would have enjoyed performing.
TV personalities Hansa and Praful from Khichdi and Maya and Indravadan Sarabhai bump into each other. Let's see what happens further.
My passion. I love the way how it flows through my brush.
हेलो हाँ बाहर खाना खा के जाना हो आई एम ए हंसा वो सब तो ठीक है पर ये पेशेंट क्या होता है
Passion. Passion is
पैशन हंसा पैशन मैं समझाता हूँ
ये एक्सप्लेन करेगा
Passion is a strong desire that can get you to do amazing things. Passion is an emotion to be acted upon. When you have passion for something, you do it despite the hurdle. No man, it makes the great accomplishments possible. And thus, the very famous phrase says, passion fuels success. It is the fuel that inspires and drives us toward the specific goal, no matter how difficult or unlikely they might be. It generates the enthusiasm needed to sail through the biggest obstacles and overcome the most intractable challenges. It inspires loyalty, teamwork, hard work, and eventually success. अच्छा अच्छा
अरे ये कैसे हुआ? He explained this better than my wife, who is a first class graduate from Tiki Bai College.
But really, how does he know that?
Maya baby, our children study in PPSK, and during lockdown, we also used to listen to the lectures. And हमने भी साथ-साथ पढ़ाई कर ली भाई साहब. Now we are also smart and intelligent, just like other PPSK students.
Hansa, jaldi chalo Hansa. Today is the annual day at school, and I don't want to miss any performances. It is the big day for every performer, as they are going to showcase their talent on the virtual platform for the first time.
Hey, Praful, would children perform Ganesh Vandana?
अरे वो तो मेरी हंसुड़ी का फेवरेट है.
Praful, let's go and seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha. You know he is known as Sukhakarta Dukhaharta, the giver of joy, the remover of sorrows, and the one who eliminates hurdles.
विघ्न विनायक विघ्न
That was divine, wasn't it, Maya?
Definitely, Indu. Now, let's see some ads. I am sure today's show is going to be a great success.
Acha, Maya, what is success according to you?
Indravardhan, success according to me is when we go to a restaurant and I stop Monisha from taking the extras off in a tissue paper and she says, "अरे मम्मी जी, ये मेरे प्लास्टिक के डब्बे में डाल के रख देंगे." And if I can convince her that Monisha, ये तुम्हारा घर नहीं है, it's a mouth freshener, and she doesn't take it, that's a successful attempt for me.
No, not at all. How should I say it? Wait, let me check on the internet. Here, look.
असफलता एक चुनौती है, स्वीकार करो। क्या कमी रह गई, देखो और सुधार करो। जब तक न सफल हो नींद चैन को त्यागो तुम, संघर्षों का मैदान छोड़ मत भागो तुम। कुछ किए बिना ही जय जयकार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती।
How profound, I am amazed. You're right, success is not only about the end result, but also about the various failures and setbacks we face on our journey to success.
Yes, Jai Shri Ben भी यही कहती है. The fighting spirit that keeps us moving forward is success. Every time, it's rightly said, pursuing success is like shooting a series of moving targets. Every time we hit one, 5 more pop up from the other direction. Just when we've achieved one goal, we strive to achieve one more, to perform better and to excel in our pursuit. Hey, Praful, what is next we have in performances?
What performances?
वो क्या है Nemaya babe? Our children are having their virtual annual day celebration today and we do not want to miss any performances.
What do they even learn in school these days? All they like is playing videos on loop. No life skills or morals are actually taught in school that will be useful.
Nahi, this is not true. Please don't generalize. Not all schools and not all children.
मेरे जक्की और चक्की PPSK में पढ़ते हैं भाई श्याम. Earlier, we did not know much about the classroom interactions, but in the past 1.5 years, we have realized how much efforts the teachers put in for each and every session. They even learn technology for
our children that their studies do not stop. Even in online classes, they take care of doubts the children have and help them as much as possible. My children love attending online classes, and the school they go to. I am proud of my children and the school they go to.
Yes, come watch the annual day function with us and you will know what we mean. It's online, so anyone can watch it from the comfort of their home. तो देखे फिर?
अरे नेकी और पूछ जरूर देखेंगे.
This cycle is the best. Let's buy this one. Isn't it very attractive? Listen, you know now how much he fears riding a cycle. He is very scared of riding on the cycle and falling himself. You must appreciate your thought. That too for his birthday gift. Never. Trust me, this is a bad idea. In fact, it would upset him. Sonali, there is no illusion greater than fear. It's all in his mind. Let us go. Where is this child? He's always late. Therefore, what are you planning? Let me guess, my birthday. It has to be the best daddy. Let's take it to your birthday gift, bro. Here's the birthday gift. Mama, why is this cycle here? You know how careful I am in riding this cycle. And what about the deep bruises that would leave a dark mark on my skin? Please take this cycle. I don't want this cycle. I told you that this would be upsetting. Happy birthday, Vansh. Thank you. Happy birthday, Vansh. Thank you. Hey children, do you know how to ride a cycle? Yes. I'm sure. You know how you used to ride a cycle when you were in your mother's room. Once, child, explore your horizon. Break the barriers that you have. It's now or never. Once, I totally understand your pride. Uncle and auntie are in wrong. Your thinking will not overcome your fear, but your actions will, my dear.
Once, can it get any better? It's a birthday today. Face your fear and do it anyway. It will give you the best memory ever.
Okay, child, I'll help you. Once, there was a party at a restaurant. They had a bunch of ladies, a group of ladies. Suddenly, a cockroach jumped upon a lady's shoulder. She started screaming. Her reaction was contagious. Then she was trying to take out the cockroach. But when she did it, when she was trying, it suddenly landed on another lady to continue the drama. The waiter suddenly came to the other lady and tried to control the cockroach. But when the cockroach jumped on the waiter, he was calm. And luckily, he took the cockroach and threw it out of the restaurant. Was it the mistake of the cockroach or the lady?
Don't know, uncle. Don't know, uncle.
The mistake was of lady. She was very scared. But when Sundar Pichai, as the waiter, came in and rescued it, he was calm and completed his goal of encountering the cockroach's fear. Once you can also complete your fear like this.
You can do it, guys. You can do it, guys. Conquer.
What an inspiring act, Maya. I must tell you, Roshas should learn acting from these children. Humpty Dumpty sat on a गाड़ी and गाड़ी पे बैठा तभी आ गई दादी। दादी ने कहा आज आ मेरे पास क्योंकि गाड़ी पे बैठना is just for middle class. Nonsense.
You're right, Indu. Roses does need some acting classes.
Maya Bain, let me explain.
Don't call me Maya Bain. It's atrociously middle class.
Arey, but Sarah Bhai Bain would sound rather funny. You saw my word play there? Sarah Bhai Bain, Joyu.
I am so proud of you, my Praful.
Oh good lord. When will they understand? Maya Bain is pedestrian. Just call me Maya.
Okay, so Maya, our children said, now next in sequence is the talk show which is going to be aired by the PPSK's YouTube channel. Real conversation with PPSK. They are going to interview some very successful people. This talk show is my personal favorite. They have various segments on various personalities and all the segments are terrifically awesome and inspiring.
Ooh, are there some actors or famous sports personalities there?
No, Maya Bain. Oh, Maya. The interview is with some lesser known people, but they are mighty successful in life. Life threw curveballs at them, but it did not stop them from realizing their dreams and helping others who are in need.
It is so inspiring. When will it start? Can we also watch it?
हाँ इंदु भाई कोई पण જોઈ શકે YouTube channel पे ही है. So come, let's enjoy and watch the interview hosted by our school students.
Three, two, one, go.
Success. Success depends upon a lot of hard work. Without it, success may seem a long way to be achieved. Hard work does not mean that you have to do laborious work or the work that makes you sweat. Hard work means having a healthy body, strong mind, willpower, and a positive attitude towards goals. Today, we are here to learn about some extraordinary people who have proved that all your dreams come true and who have courage to pursue them irrespective of age, physical status, or any other criteria.
I couldn't agree more with you. I also believe hope and success go hand in hand. Hope is a powerful thing. It inspires us to do the impossible. So, if you're looking for a little inspiration, you have come to the right place and you will soon know why. Namaskar. Welcome. Adab. I am your host Pranav and meet my partner and today's co-host Daksh.
Today, on a real conversation with PPSK, we have someone who has proved that if you believe in yourself, nothing can stop you. She is strongly of the opinion that quality is pride of workmanship. She is the definition of the phrase, age is just a...
લોકોને જમાડવાનું અને બિઝનેસ કરવાનું કોઈ આપણાથી શીખે ક્यों स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा आई एम गुज्जूबेन नाश्तावाला माई पेरेंट्स नेम मी एज उर्मिलाबेन आशिर बट नाउ गुज्जूबेन नाश्तावाला इज माई आइडेंटिटी.
It's a great pleasure to have you on our talk show, Gujuben. So, before we move ahead, I have one request. Urmila Ben, can we address you as Ba?
Yes, yes, why not? મને બધા બા બોલાવે.
How do you feel about being in a talk show? How did you start your journey?
You all liked Gujjubena Nashta and appreciated my food. This gives me immense pleasure and makes me happy. I feel loved and your warmth makes me attend and travel to every show to inspire others with my journey. I am not alone. There would be many who would have done something great. They need to come out and share. મને અને હર્ષને TED Talkનું પણ ઇન્વિટેશન આવ્યું છે. I have faced a lot of complications in life. I lived with a family of 30 members back then. I have cooked food for all of them, managed raising children, juggled with the demands of a joint family, and taken care of my diabetic mother-in-law who had her own set of demands and needs too. My life was a roller coaster ride, and among it all, tragedy struck me. My youngest child, who was only 2.5, passed away in an accident. I had brought myself to terms with my fate. Till then, my middle son also passed away while delivering Tiffin due to heart failure. And to add on to all the trauma and sadness, my elder son, Harsh's dad, died of sudden sickness. I am myself a victim of 2 heart attacks. I tell all these young kids, you can't give up on the adversities put in front of you. I always believe there must be a purpose behind all sadness and trauma that God had put me through. I read somewhere that even He gives struggles to those who can face them and come out stronger. You take it as a challenge and stand up. That's life. It goes on. हताश मत हो, चलते रहो, जागो, बढ़ो, उठो और काम करो. That's why I say, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना.
Ba, you are never afraid of showing your affection. You are warm, tender, thoughtful, and very affectionate. You are loved so much by the people. there are few people who are part of your life who would like to say something about you and express their feelings through videos recorded for you. Here we go!
People see documentaries of Roger Federer, the tennis superstar, Sachin Tendulkar, the great cricketer, Barack Obama, the former US president, for motivation. For me, my motivation and inspiration is Dadi. At one point in time, I had given up after my accident. I had to undergo cosmetic surgery. My upper lip was torn apart from my mouth. Doctors had given up. They were on the verge of declaring me dead, but Dadi was full of hope. I was full of life, riding various bikes, but after this accident, I had to undergo through an identity crisis. I had given up. One fine day, Dadi came to me and said, "What do you have to lose? I have lost 3 children, but here I am standing strong like a pillar." Dadi encouraged me. By looking at her struggles, I felt mine were nothing. In lockdown, my business faced a huge loss, and that moment's adversities turned into opportunities. Once I asked Dadi that the pickle she gives to our neighbors, can we make more of it and sell? And she, being an enthusiastic person, agreed instantly, and we made 500 kgs of pickle in just 25 days. After which I thought of asking her to help me start a business which will give us financial growth, and I had the idea of homemade food and delivering via food delivery apps. Fortunately, without any help, she accorded with the idea, and I thought of naming it Gujju Ben Nastala because Gujju means Gujarati and everybody loves Gujarati food. She has never asked for monetary benefits. She works hard, and appreciation by her customer is a trophy.
Hello Dadi, केम छो? Dadi has taught me one important life lesson. सबको खाना खिलाने का, बुरा वक्त आए तो सबको संभाल लेने का. She works from morning 7 to 9 with us, but never gets tired. Us being so young, we can barely work continuously. Sometimes we take long breaks. She works non-stop without any break. I would like to tell her, तेरे माथे की ये चुनर क्या खूब लगती है, लेकिन तेरी चुनर से जो तूने परचम बनाया है वो हजारों के जीवन को प्रेरणा देती है.
I was working as a designer in my in-laws garment shop, but due to the lockdown we faced severe setbacks. I then joined hands with Harsh and Dadi. Thankfully my instincts worked well and I became the business partner. Working with Dadi is fun. She's a diligent and hard-working lady. Dadi हमेशा हमें डांटती है if we don't cook food as per her taste. She remakes the food and doesn't compromise on the food quality. Also, खाना अच्छा नहीं हुआ तो हमें ही खिला देती है, कस्टमर्स के पास जाने नहीं देती.
दादी, तुम्हाला टीव्हीवर बघून खूप आनंद झाला. पुरणपोळी यावेळी छान बनली माझी. आता तरी कस्टमर्स पाठवू शकता ना? सांगा बरं. दादी के बारे में क्या बोलूं? Sometimes when Ajwa Rihu cling for more orders, but she is very less. She says no, let the order come. I'll cook in 5 minutes. And to your surprise, she does it without hampering the quality and quantity. She says time pass होना मांगता है. ऐसे में बैठ के क्या करूँगी?
She has been a neighbor for many years. She gives us a variety of pickles to taste. She has got invites from dentists and Portuguese to cook in events. And just like I said, I often ask her Dadi, how come you are so fit? She says, I have eaten good food, not like you all. बैठे टोमेटो एमपीटी से जंक फूड मंगवा के खाया और हो गया.
उर्मिला पहुंची गई थी टीवी पर. She is my best friend. I can do anything for her. She likes Gugra, so she calls me over to make them for her order or delivery. I swiftly reach her place because she's been a very supportive friend. I told Urmila, you don't give any money to me. Just call me daily to make food with you. That is my treasure of friendship. Whenever I go to a place to help her, I feel content and helps me kill my time. उसका एक ही फंडा है. મને જમવાનું બનાવવું ગમે, જમાડવાનું ગમે અને જમવાનું ગમે.
Urmila, I am proud of you. You are our backbone. The way you have handled all of us is commendable. You have kept all of us like a close-knit family. I am just very fortunate to have you. Because of you, my life is going smoothly. તારા હાથનો પનીર મટર મસાલાની તો શું વાત છે.
expressed all what I feel for you. But બોલા તારી મધમીઠી વાતે મારું મન મોહી ગયું. સપના જોયા તારી સાથે મારું મન મોહી ગયું.
You know, after looking at all the videos, I felt love is more than everything. A kind of word will give more pleasure than a present. Ah, Dadi, you are a really strong woman. And a strong woman like you accepts the war she went through and is ennobled by her scars. Gets up, wears an invisible crown, and says, life goes on. Well, some of us may need a break. So, audience, let's take a chit-chat break.
Best of luck, Sneha. Sapna.
Come on, Sneha. Don't be scared. You can do it.
Sapna.
Sneha, I know you can do it.
सपना तो सपना होता है, ना कोई बड़ा ना कोई छोटा होता है. मम्मी मेरी कहती है सपने देखो, सपने खुद के देखो, सपने पर तुम अपने देखो. मम्मी मेरी कहती है.
Very good, Sneha. Karan, your turn. Karan, तोड़ दे, फोड़ दे, तेरे हाथ फोड़ा दे. दिखाने में अपनी मम्मी की औलाद है.
Keep quiet, Sharan.
Karan, ये बोल रहा है अपनी मम्मी की औलाद है. You did it, Karan. You did it, Karan.
You have got enough applause now. Now you tell me what your mother has taught you.
मैम, भरोसा करना. मम्मी कहती है कोई भी हौसला खो दे तो उसका भरोसा करना चाहिए. हौसला डबल हो जाता है.
Welcome back to Real Conversations with PPSK. Getting started from just where we left. Two heads are better than one. So, here I take immense pleasure to introduce one more notable personality to you all. He is someone who manifests that where there is a wheel, there is a way.
Here it is will not wheel.
Yes, you are right. But for this guest, you will know why it is wheel and not will. Join me with all your enthusiasm. Welcome our next guest in today's segment, Mr. Annadurai.
If you are an employee, love your job. If you are a businessman, satisfy your customers. This is my secret. Amazing auto secret. Speaking of auto drivers, I'm not a regular auto driver. I'm popularly known as Auto Anna. My birth name is Annadurai.
Anna, what makes you give a 5-star like treatment to your customers in an auto? The facilities are superior than a cab. Would you like to share with your audience what all services you provide in your auto?
I believe we should never give somebody mediocre, but something when we do, make it the best. I think for customer satisfaction, think out of the box for their convenience. I have been driving an auto for many years now. Customer is God. I say it because then pay me money so that I can have food. I started all these amenities from 2013. Newspaper in 8 different languages, 35 to 40 magazines of current issues. I understand that as India is on peak of technology boom, I provide data cards and routers of 2 companies, Airtel and Vodafone, because buffering is boring. I have a Samsung Galaxy Tab, a Lenovo laptop, and an iPad. As per the needs of customer, not every customer is habitual to Android, so they can use iPad. The ones who are working on wheels can travel in my auto. I have a mini refrigerator providing snacks to them.
I must say, your little consideration and thought for others makes a lot of difference. And now, another question I had in mind since the time I have come to know that you are going to be on our talk show. Usually, autowalas don't have change, neither do we travelers that. Asking for change is a huge task. How do you cater to that problem?
You know, sir, I take feedback from my customer. One day, after 2 months, that same customer sat in my auto rickshaw. So I asked him for feedback. What he said was saddening for me. He said, Anna, you give such a nice service to us. You take care of every requirement of our customers. And I feel guilty that I couldn't give you change last time. And you also didn't ask for it. Sir, that pinched me. And I felt regretful. I came up with the idea of having a card swiping machine in a rickshaw. Majority of my customer get their salary credit in their card. And now thinking of digital India, nobody withdraws the money. Cash transactions are done through various facilities. So now I have PayPal, GPay, Paytm, you name it, and we have it.
Anna, you are a far-sighted person. Really, you are making the lives of people so easy and fantastic. It's time for us to take a short break and come back. We are in conversation.
ये क्या कर दिया रब्बा? ओए गोलू पुत्र कितने चट्टी कर लेट हो रहा है गोलू ओ गोलू पता नहीं कि ये चला गया ये तूने किया ना ये सब नहीं दादी आई डिडंट टच इट तू बाहर आ
दादी दादी प्लीज नहीं दादी अरे दादी
Come on, don't be a scaredy cat.
a fall could hurt badly दादी
Nonsense. Trust me पुत्र कुछ नहीं होगा मैं कह रही हूँ ना
दादी कल
चल
दादी please don't if you fall it will hurt a lot
ये पकड़ चल मार धक्का ओ तेरे की गोलू तूने तो बल्ले बल्ले कर दी
लग जाएगी दादी
चल और धक्का मार
दादी लग जाएगी
चल और धक्का मार
लग जाएगी दादी दादी
Very good.
दादी
गोलू देख मैं उड़ रही हूँ
Let's go play!
अब तो भूल चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है बादल पे पार है या झूठा गाँव है अब तो भूल चल पड़ी अपनी ये नाव है
Udin Pari cycles recommended by fitness experts. Summers then, Myra Milani and I talk non-stop with people. वो क्या है ना चुप बेस का नर्व आ गए
Daddy, क्या अभी? My customers love to talk to me. I speak to my Hindi customers in Hindi. I can say, आप कैसे हो? कहाँ से हो? आप मुझे मिलो. कुशल मंगल यात्रा. ठीक है भैया. ओके भैया. ओके. Malayali customers, I say, Indu Pariyan Sare Sugamale, which means, what do you say? I'll find. In Kannada, to customers, I say, Hegi Didra, Chenne Gidra, Ayyo, Yeli Hoti, Mareya, which means, how are you? I'll find. Where are you going? Bengali customers, I say, Dhanyavad, Abar Ajben, which means thank you and travel again. Marathi customers, I say, Ata Maji Satakli. Gujju customers, I say, Dhanyavad, Pacha Avjo. Punjabi customers, I say, Sat Sri Akal, Kitta Vadiya. My customers also ask me to play Shah Rukh songs. I got that covered. I played Kisi Roz Tumse, Mulaqat Hogi, Salman fans. There are a lot. I play Jumme ki raat hai, Jumme ki baat hai. If Japanese customers said, I play Sayonara. And for Western customers, I play Taki Taki. And I found a love. All those English songs.
It was fun, Anna. I was joking and you took the conversation to the next level. बिना आपके ऑटो में बैठे आपने पूरा इंडिया घुमा दिया.
Anna, you spread happiness wherever you go. You are so affectionate. Your nature is so delicious. People who are close to you have sent something for you. I hope this makes you smile just the way you're spreading smiles.
Unlike talk show, with Ukadidya and the Patter Rumia Kushia Arku. I live in Chulingadam, Jannah. I am Anna's childhood school friend. Basically, Anna was different from others and very unique in style. He believed in doing things differently. Annadura is very silent and calm. He believes in working more and speaking less. He doesn't speak unnecessarily. He is someone who lets his work speak. He is epitome of that. I feel proud when I sit in his auto. I feel proud that he is my friend. Anyone can be a friend of a celebrity, but it's my fortune to have a friend who became a celebrity by his service. People feel the auto drivers are rude and they feel that auto drivers are making fool of them by charging high. Anna is changing their mindset and setting a trend among people.
Anna has Netflix, Amazon, Hotstar. Sometimes if my series doesn't get over while returning home from the office, then I ask Anna to take a turn so that I can finish my series. Anna's rickshaw gives luxury and entertainment. He's a cool auto driver. I don't buy subscriptions for any app.
I feel safe traveling in Anna's auto. His app Amazing Auto gives my traveling details of my auto to my parents and they stay rest, assured that I am safely traveling at night for my work. Anna is a very respectful man.
Ba and Anna, do you have any further aspirations?
Of course, I want to have a spacious kitchen so that I can feed more people. And Harsh says he wants to expand the business. I have two dreams to come true. One of my own and another of my grandson. Let's hope for the best.
I wish to provide education to a lot of children. In my view, only education can change a society. They will be able to stand with self-confidence and do something for themselves and the country. In 2013, I funded 13,000 rupees for children. 2014, sponsored 7 children. And in 2015, I couldn't continue due to financial constraints. But now, I would love to educate the children. Also, I want to have a solar AC in my auto rickshaw.
Any man's life will be filled with constant and unexpected encouragement if he makes up his mind to do his level best each day. So, with the same zeal and enthusiasm, Anna and Ba, you both are truly an inspiration to everyone.
It doesn't require we be the best, only that we try our best. So friends, try your best for success, try to be as efficient as possible. And as said by one of the greatest philosophers of all time, Socrates, the only good is knowledge and the only evil is ignorance. So I would like to thank you all for being the part of today's segments. Your hosts are signing off for today. We shall meet you in the next segment soon.
रोशिस भैया, ये गुजुबे नाश्ता वाल की चकली तो बहुत टेस्टी है। मैंने तो बहुत सारे पैकेट से लिए, आप भी खाओ ना।
नहीं भाभी, अब इस संसार में मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं है। आई विल लीव एक्टिंग एंड राइटिंग। ये दुनिया, ये महफिल मेरे काम की नहीं। आपको पता है अभी मेरा ऑडिशन है, बहुत बड़ी मूवी है, बहू मच्छर और बेटा खच्चर। उसका राइटर अभी मेरा ऑडिशन लेने आ ही रहा होगा। आई एम नॉट एट ऑल रेडी। भाभी, मेरा करियर शुरू होने से पहले ही खत्म हो गया।
अरे भैया, डोंट से दैट। मैं डुगडुग बाबा से मन्नत मांगूंगी कि आपको अच्छा सा काम मिले।
रोशिस जी, आर यू रेडी? शुड वी डू द ऑडिशन? सर, आप थोड़ा लेट हो गए। आई जस्ट अनाउंस माई रिटायरमेंट फ्रॉम एक्टिंग। आई डोंट हैव इट इन मी।
रोशिस, why would you say that? Haven't you heard that? असे जगावे दुनियामध्ये आव्हानांचे लावून अत्तर, असे जगावे दुनियामध्ये आव्हानांचे लावून अत्तर, नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर. पाय असावे जमिनीवरती कवेत अंबर घेताना, पाय असावे जमिनीवरती कवेत अंबर घेताना, हसू असावे ओठांवरती काहीच काढून देताना, संकटात सही ठणकावून सांगावे आता ये तू बेहतर, नजर रोखुनी नजरेमध्ये आयुष्याला द्यावे उत्तर.
पर ये मराठी में क्या बोला आपने?
बिल्कुल सही है राइटर भाई साहब। रोशिस भैया, आई रिमेम्बर अ मोटिवेशनल सॉन्ग, नेवर गिव अप, संग बाय स्टूडेंट्स। लेट्स हियर इट टुगेदर। फिर यूं आपको चुटकी में समझ आएगा।
Wow, Bobby, it was so motivational. I wrote a new poem in the meanwhile. Finally हो रही है पानी की बोतल खाली. Finally हो रही है पानी की बोतल खाली. जब नहीं है यहाँ गार्डन तो क्यों होगा माली?
ये तो प्रफुल्ल भाई और अंसाबेन से भी गए गुजरे हैं।
नहीं 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 जयश्री, अब मैं तंग आ चुका हूँ। रिटायरमेंट के बाद लाइफ में कुछ नहीं बचा करने को।
ऐसा नहीं बोलिए बापूजी, आप कुछ हॉबी क्यों नहीं करते? डू समथिंग दैट यू ऑलवेज वांटेड टू डू। कुछ नहीं तो इस रोसेश को एक्टिंग और राइटिंग सिखा दीजिए।
जयश्री, इसको सिखाने जाऊंगा तो मैं ही भूल जाऊंगा।
हैला बापूजी, एक मस्त आइडिया आया है। मेरी नानी की काकी की बुआ के बेटे का इंपोर्ट एक्सपोर्ट का बिजनेस है, आप भी उन्हें ज्वाइन कर लो।
अरे मोनिशा बेटा, अब इस उम्र में मुझसे इंटरनेशनल ट्रैवल नहीं होगा।
नहीं बापूजी, इंटरनेशनल ही, उल्लासनगर से सस्ते में खरीद के बांद्रा कोलाबा में महंगे में सेल कर लेने का। अच्छा कमीशन भी मिलेगा और मेरा 10% शेयर मत भूलना। हाँ,
कुछ और सेंसिबल आइडिया बताओ ना प्लीज।
रहने दो जयश्री, अब मैं किसी काम का नहीं। मैं भी कुछ करना चाहता था पर अब कोई फायदा नहीं है।
आप ऐसा क्यों बोल रहे हो? आई रिमेम्बर, आपने राधा कृष्णा उनके बारे में नहीं सुना क्या?
राधा कृष्णा, वो कौन है?
वो क्या है ना, 6 महीने पहले आई सीवियर हेयर फॉल एंड अदर स्कैल्प इश्यूज, सब घरेलू नुस्खे ट्राई किए, डुगडुग बाबा से मन्नत मांगी बट कोई असर नहीं हुआ। यहाँ तक कि महंगे महंगे हेयर प्रोडक्ट्स भी खरीदे, वो भी बिना डिस्काउंट के, बट प्रॉब्लम जा ही नहीं रही थी।
What are you saying? आपने महंगे प्रोडक्ट्स खरीदे?
वो ही ना भैया, फिर मेरी किटी वाली फ्रेंड ने अंकल के अवीमी हेयर ऑयल के बारे में बताया और फिर उसके बाद एकदम से वक्त बदल गया, हालात बदल गए।
अरे हाँ, आई नो हिम, मैंने उनका एक वीडियो देखा था, उसमें बताया था how after his retirement at the age of 80, along with his wife who is age 75, he pursued his passion and converted it into a successful business. Bapuji, you also must watch it. It is so inspiring. Wait, let me search and play it for you.
It is a story of an 85-year-old man who was passionate about studying and researching various Ayurvedic herbs. So, after his neighbors complained of hair fall and related issues, he decided to develop hair oil by making a herbal concoction. Before trying out on someone else, he tried it on himself and successfully created a formula of a hair oil. From that point onwards, there was no looking back. After a successful trial run at home, he started selling it online and received wonderful feedback from his consumers.
तरंगी तरकीबें 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 कितनी है तरकीबें 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 अपनी है तरकीबें सतरंगी सपने हैं अतरंगी तरकीब
मालिश तेल मालिश चंपे सर जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए आजा प्यारे पास हमारे काहे घबराए काहे घबराए।
तो बताइए बापूजी, now what do you have to say?
बच्चे लोग, तुम सब सही थे। एज इज जस्ट अ नंबर। सपने पूरे करने की कोई एज लिमिट नहीं होती। Now I will also pursue my dream of traveling around the world and make the most of this beautiful life that I have got. I request all of you also. Don't wait for tomorrow. चलो बच्चा जीवी लइए। Wow, Bapuji. It's said that it's impossible unless it's done. And it feels so good in helping others in achieving their dreams.
हैला, मैं तो भूल ही गई, आज तो मुंबई's गॉट टैलेंट का ग्रैंड फिनाले है।
पर भाभी, आप तो सास बनी नागिन और बहू बनी छिपकली देखते थे ना?
अरे हाँ रोशेश भैया, बट इस बार पूरा शो ऑनलाइन हुआ। All the participants danced from home and moreover, अंडरडॉग की टीम गई है। I am also supporting them. चलो चलो आप सब भी देखो ग्रैंड फिनाले।
I'm very scared. I don't know how we will be able to compete against the team that has been winning for the past 3 years. Exactly. And this time ma'am is also not with us to physically support or cheer for us, guys.
Yes, you are right. How will we win?
Hey friends, Mrs. asked us to join the video call. She's on the call. She wanted to speak to us before our performance. Okay, let's join it on the video call. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello, my champs. All set to win? I'm so confident that you all will give your 100% and perform well. You remember now what I always say? काम कर, फल की चिंता मत कर. You give your best and leave the rest. गर जुनून हो सर पे तेरे और अंतर में हो विश्वास, फिर ठोकर और ठुकराने का होगा कहाँ तुम्हें एहसास. मकसद में सच्चाई है तो सीना ठोक के यही कहो, झुकना होगा दुनिया तुमको, विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो. दुनिया बदली है जिसने भी, पहले उसको इनकार मिला, अपमानों का हार मिला और तानों का उपहार मिला. और विश्वास में विश्वास भरो और लहरों के विपरीत बहो. हाथों में विजय मशाल लिए विश्वास पे अपने खड़े रहो, अड़े रहो. Remember about the magic formula of 90 to 10? You will repeat it for me. Yes, kid, go on. Miss, you told us about the 90-10 formula. That 10% of life is what happens to us. The things that we do not have control over. But 90% is how we perceive it, how we react to it. Our reaction is in our hands. So, we should focus on the 90% part. And rest, all will be fine. Yes, that's the spirit. Let's go for the 90%. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Yes, friends. So if our teacher believes in us, then we should also believe in our ability to win.
So let's rock it today.
Yay!
चलना पूछना पूछ के चलना, मरना जीना मर के जीना, मांगने वाली चीज नहीं है मौका उसका जिसने जीना. गिरना उठना उठ के चलना, चढ़ जा अंबर सीना सीना, याद रहे ये शर्त सफर की, पीछे मुड़ के देख कभी ना. जीत का जुनून है तो हार सोचना क्यों, जब जिंदगी है एक ही, दो बार सोचना क्यों. मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है, मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है. मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है. वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने, यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें. कोई तो वजह है जो जिद पे अड़ी है ये धड़कने, यही तो मजा है, किया जो किसी ने नहीं हम करें.
जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा. जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा. जिद है मेरी दर्द चीर के निकल चुका, मौका मिले तो करूं मैं ये दोबारा. जुनून के आग में उबलती मेरी कोशिशों को चाहिए ना कोई और सहारा.
चक्का जित्तिया तो मिलन बधाइयां, चक्का जित्तिया तो मिलन बधाइयां, चक्का जित्तिया तो मिलन बधाइयां. क्या आया है फतेह करके सूरमा, सूरमा के माने है जम्मिया एक सूरमा. seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder.
Thunder, 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 thunder,
Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, feel the thunder. Lightning and the thunder. Thunder, thunder, thunder. Kids were laughing in my classes while I was scheming for the masses. Who do you think you are? Dreaming about being a big star. They say you're basic, they say you're easy. You're always riding in the backseat. Now I'm smiling from the stage while you were clapping in the nosebleeds.
That was an electrifying performance, and we all thrilled. We all are well aware that the success of any educational institution depends on the principal. She is a driving force who managed, coordinated, guided, and supervised various activities of the school. It's my honor to welcome Principal Ma'am to share her thoughts with.
Have you enjoyed the program today, parents? From your faces I can make out, I think you have. The children have done a marvelous job. Teachers have done an equally good a job. But today's show, I would like to place my heartfelt thanks to Anand Manan of AND Events. He is a parent who came to our rescue as a savior and helped us out in churning out this particular program for all of us to enjoy. Thank you once again. Anand, we owe you.
There is an end to everything, but we believe that there is never an end but always a beginning. Thank you. You are a wonderful audience and hope we have been equally good hosts. Once again, thanks to the hard work all the team members have done to make this possible. I believe any school function is incomplete without the national anthem. Requesting everyone to rise for the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे
With a smile, you could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking over records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You ain't never gonna know if you never even try.
Do it for your country, do it for your name. Cause there's gonna be a day when you're
sitting in the Hall of Fame.
Yeah.
And the world's gonna know your name.
Yeah.
Cause you burn with the cross flame. And the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. Be a champion. The walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers, Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions.
You hail with a smile, you could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking over records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. You ain't never gonna know if you
Is there gonna be a day when you're